大家好，欢迎来到苏敏中文。Hi guys, welcome to Sumin Chinese. How did you say thank you in Mandarin and Cantonese? If you are learning Chinese, you may find that native Mandarin speakers can express gratitude in some ways beyond the basic thank you, 谢谢. So today we will show you useful words and phrases to saying thank you in Cantonese and Mandarin, depending on your audience and the situation. Before we jump in, please make sure to subscribe, hit like button, and turn the notification so you don't miss out all learning tips. 谢谢你们. How to say thank you in Chinese? 谢谢 means thank you. 谢谢 is the most standard ways to say thank you in Chinese. 谢谢 can be used in most situations to express gratitude and thank someone for their help. 感谢 means many things. 感谢 these variations applies to many semi-formal interactions. For example, if your colleague or classmate help you at work or study, 谢谢 or 感谢 are appropriate phrases. 谢谢大家 means thank you all when addressing a group at a formal introduction, business meeting, banquet, or other large group setting of a formal nature. 谢谢大家 should be used as the first part of the phrases. 麻烦你了 or 劳烦你了 means sorry for the trouble. It's a great phrase when someone else has gone to help or work for you. This phrase is common in the office or business culture. How to say thank you in Cantonese? 多謝 means thanks or many thanks. 多謝 which basic means thank you in Cantonese. This is a common and formal ways to saying thank you. m-goi means thank you or excuse me. m-goi is used when someone helps you with something or perform a service for you, or when you want to get someone attention. How to say thank you, you're welcome in Chinese? For example, 你做的麻婆豆腐太好吃了。你做的麻婆豆腐太好吃了。谢谢你多吃点。谢谢你多吃点。谢谢你的礼物，我很喜欢。谢谢你的礼物，我很喜欢。不客气，不客气。谢谢大家在这一年里对我的帮助。谢谢大家在这一年里对我的帮助。请帮忙把这个订单取消，麻烦你了。请帮忙把这个订单取消，麻烦你了。How to say thank you, you're welcome in Cantonese? For example, 多謝你份禮物。多謝你份禮物。唔使客氣，唔使客氣。唔該，請俾我一杯水。唔該，請俾我一杯水。好，唔使客氣。好，唔使客氣。If you find our video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Be sure you click the notification bell so you don't miss out on learning tips.